Is Wayne Crowe's OLSP system a pyramid scheme? That is a big question we'll be answering today, and I'll be covering this through a very unbiased process. And how am I going to do that? I'm going to give you an answer through AI. So I'm not going to answer it through my head. It's going to come through AI. I'm going to feed it a bunch of data, which you will see transparently, and you'll see how it comes up with an answer. And this is all being recorded as I do it, so we'll see how it answers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Poe. Poe.com is a competitor to ChatGPT. It has a lot of different large language models. As you can see, it has a lot through OpenAI and many others as well, including Facebook's Llama and Anthropic's Claude. So I'm going to use Anthropic. It's more well known as more like a more responsible, ethical large language model, and it has more bounds on the responses. So I think that's actually pretty good for something that's kind of like this kind of question, if it's a pyramid scheme or not. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to feed it with some data. Here is data on OLSP, which stands for One Lead System Pixel. I think that's what it stands for. And then by Wayne Crowe, a well-known digital marketer. Feed it that data. That's my landing page. This is one of its core offerings called Megalink, where you have 7 income streams through one single link that you could promote. This is Team Builder. Team Builder is a premium CRM and tons of training, huge community. And then we have Trustpilot. And I am a VIP of OLSP. I have never been incentivized for reviews, so a lot of these reviews are from Trustpilot. It's a platform that I look at a lot, especially when I'm looking at high ticket items. And then I'll just feed it that. Okay, and it's giving me a summary of what it's found. It's an affiliate marketing platform created by Wayne Crowe. It claims to help people earn automatic commission $747, $2,000 by simply sharing a mega link. The system promises to handle all the technical aspects like creating opt-in pages, finding offers, converting leads, so users just need to promote the mega link. It aims to solve common problems for newbies like imposter syndrome and the fear of selling marketing by providing done-for-you systems and a supportive community. Based on the Trustpilot reviews, the OLSP system seems to have a mix of positive and negative feedback. Some users report success and earn commissions, while others express concerns about high ticket upsells and lack of transparency. The reviews and highlights of OLSP provides extensive training and collaborative community, which are positives. However, there are also mentions of the system being overhyped and potentially misleading about the ease of earning money. So I'll say this from my trainings with Wayne, I'll say that he's created a very simplified process because a lot of the work has been done for you as far as the systems, but we still have to promote it. And I think that is what you'll learn from the training. And if you are not consistent with what you've learned, this is not a one-shot deal. I think that if people think that they're just going to get rich overnight, this is not what this is about. This is something where you have to put the work into it. So your work ethic is extremely important in this. And if you don't have work ethic or you don't want to improve that, then there's a problem. You will probably not earn money. I'm just telling you straight up. And then on Trustpilot, it talks about high ticket upsells and lack of transparency. So the thing is, I will tell you this, and the way that I frame this is that Megalink is a pretty cool offer. There's a lot of training for especially $7 and a system for making money for $7. However, I think of it more like not a trial, but more of a preview. And it's a way to actually sample what Wayne is providing at a very low cost. I think in just about any country out there, $7 is relatively something that most people could afford. But if you want to sample that and you want to make money from that, that is what you can do. And it does lead to high commissions, but if you want to have the opportunity to make higher commissions, you want to have a lot of tools that are part of your marketing arsenal, then that's where the high ticket upsell comes in. And if you want to get it, it's optional. I will say that people that are involved in business opportunities and digital marketing, especially making money online products, you'll notice upsells like crazy. That's just how the industry is. And it's actually a marketing mechanism that is created to help the marketer, the business owner, make more money. And if you're kind of wondering why they do it, a very popular example that I've seen over the years is through McDonald's. Back before the kiosk, you go to McDonald's, you buy a hamburger, and then they'll ask you, do you want some fries with that? Do you want a drink? Do you want a milkshake? Stuff like that. Those are called upsells. But in this case, in the make money online niche, upsells, of course, they're not just going to cost like under 10 bucks. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and compare and contrast. Let's compare and contrast OLSP with a pyramid scheme. And I'll say, provide me with an outline first. So it's going to talk about definition of pyramid scheme, OLSP, structure, operations, revenue generation, legality, sustainability, and its comparison. And I'll say provide the content based on that outline. And then it'll give me like a very quick article, some basic information, not a full-blown one because I didn't say create a super long article. But it says a pyramid scheme is an unsustainable business model that relies on recruiting new members to generate revenue rather than selling legitimate products or services. I think that's a big part. I think, my opinion is that the products, especially the CRM, was extremely worth my time and money in purchasing it, and I've been able to use it to build my business. So I think it's a legitimate product. It's cloud SaaS, like a software as a service. And it says pyramid schemes typically promise high returns or rewards for recruiting others, but the majority of participants end up losing money. Definition of one lead system pixel. OLSP is an affiliate marketing platform created by Crowe, claims to help people earn automatic commissions by promoting a mega link that provides access to various products and services. It's crucial to differentiate between a legitimate affiliate marketing system and a legal pyramid scheme to make informed decisions about business opportunities. Then it talks about the whole thing with pyramid scheme. Talked about it already. Focus on recruiting new members, instead of selling legitimate products and services. A reward for recruiting others. Typically that money, it goes upwards, kind of like a pyramid scheme. It funnels up to the people at the top. All the money that comes from the people at the bottom funnels to the top. And then, of course, it's not sustainable, so it collapses. OLSP, it operates as a legal framework of affiliate marketing where users promote and sell genuine products or services, and then emphasis on promoting and selling products and services. Commissions are earned through direct sales and referrals of OLSP's products and services. Commissions earned from direct sales and referrals. User can earn commissions both from their own sales and from the sales generated by their referrals. Revenue generation, pyramid schemes, they rely on a source of revenue where fees are paid by new recruits. As the scheme grows, earlier participants benefit at the expense of later joiners. Little or no focus on actual products or services. Early joiners benefit, later joiners often lose. For me, when I promote this whole thing about OLSP, I promote the training, I promote the Mega Builder CRM. These are some of the core offerings. And of course, there's a lot of commission made from cloud services, especially high ticket ones. And then OLSP generates revenue from its products and services. They could earn from the training, the marketing products and services. And to me, it's actually something that's expected. When you get a $7 product, you're going to get some training. And I totally feel that the videos, especially through video format directly through Wayne, it totally is something that is worth the $7. Plus, you'll be able to use that to promote just about any product online. Plus, you're able to promote it and make pretty good money. There's actually a very good way to make high commissions through it that you'll learn through the course that is not found in many affiliate offerings. And then you're able to make lifetime commissions from your sales. So I think that is something that is very cool for just a $7 offer. And it says users can earn commissions from their own sales as well from sales generated by their referrals. Potential for long-term residual income. With sustainable affiliate marketing model, OLSP users have the opportunity to build a recurring income stream over time. So as I mentioned, when you go into OLSP, you get an account, and when you promote it, when people become your customers of that system, then you earn commissions, but their account is hard coded to your affiliate ID, which allows you to make commissions off of future sales, which is very special in the affiliate marketing realm. Legality, of course, pyramid schemes are illegal. In most countries, unsustainable because they often collapse. OLSP operates with a legal affiliate marketing framework structured as a legitimate affiliate marketing platform, which is recognized, and it has a legal business model. Sustainability dependent on the product quality and market demand. The sustainable of OLSP depends on the quality and demand for its affiliate marketing products and services, just like any company out there. Comparisons and conclusions. Pyramid schemes are recruitment focused and rely on new member fees, while OLSP is an affiliate marketing system that generates revenue from products, services, sales. Pyramid schemes reward recruitment, while OLSP rewards actual sales and referrals. Risk associated with pyramid schemes versus potential benefits of OLSP. Pyramid schemes are illegal and inherently unsustainable, leading to significant financial losses for most participants. OLSP is a legitimate affiliate marketing platform, offers a potential for long-term residual income, provided that users apply the training and strategies effectively. That is extremely key. Importance of thorough research and due diligence. Of course, before investing your money, got to figure out if you can actually do all this. If you are able to build a business using the training, there is this model. Of course, it says it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the underlying model, legal status, and track record to make an informed decision. So first of all, I want to say this. If you are thinking that people aren't making sales with this, I would say the same thing goes for affiliate marketing in general. You get a link. Does that guarantee that you'll be able to make a sale? No, you still have to do the work. When you are promoting OLSP, a lot of the technology setup is done for you, especially with MegaLink, and you just need to promote a link. It provides you with a lot of training. The main thing is that you follow through. You have to make that commitment to actually start promoting and be a business owner, and don't expect freebies. Don't expect people to do all the work for you for free. Don't expect people just to give you a business, and just because you have a business, it's going to make money on its own. That's not how it works. You actually have to have very good work ethic. And whether you have 30 minutes a day, 1 hour a day, even 8 hours a day, it depends on you. At least you're able to use your time to build your business. And you have to, of course, commit to that. You have to make a decision on how much time you want to spend on it. And I think that will be something that will directly impact your success in this program. And if you want to learn more about OLSP, make sure that you check out the link below. You'll also be able to see another link to get training from me on artificial intelligence if you want to use Poe to build your business as well. So that is all for today. Thanks for watching and getting information on whether or not OLSP is a pyramid scheme.